Hi there. Congratulations on booking a strategy session with me. This is a great first step in developing and building your Chinese communication skills. So my name is Li Ping and I've been teaching Chinese as a second language for 11 years now. So I know just how important the communication is in your professional and personal life. I would like to take a few moments just to tell you a little bit about what to expect from our strategy session. We're going to discuss your current situation, where you're now in your career, and where would you like to be in the future. I will have a question for you about your Chinese, such as what situations you need to communicate in Chinese, what difficulties you have when communicating. Together, we will look at what steps you can take to improve on these skills and how you can achieve a better job performance. In the meantime, please don't be afraid to jump on my LinkedIn page and my YouTube channel. Check out some of my articles and videos for tips on building your Chinese communication skills right away. Thank you very much for booking the session, and I look forward to meeting you. Bye.